A battle raged at the end of the first tournament. The forces of Earthrealm were facing their greatest challenge.
Hoy!
Nga no?
Kawatan ka!
Basta may akong gikawat.
Ganawin mong gikawat akong kasing-kasing!
Istoryahe!
Let's go!
Why do birds suddenly appear?
I don't care. Oh!
Mic check! Mic check! Mic check! Mic check! Mic check! Mic check!
Istoryahe!
Pagpitas ko ng pangalan ko na Randy at Gatilo. Tingin ko lang sa'yo at tinutukan ng putilyo. Dahil di ka mananalo, sa akin ka kahit saan ka magpunta. Liriko ang bata, iba dapat sa pagbitaw. Kulitong letra ang sigaw, kasi baka matunaw ka. Karang lusaw na palitaw, haluin mong mabuti. Ako lang pa yan sa gawgaw. Bakit ganyan ang pantalon, parang bilin sa lawlaw. Kapag pangarap mo'y ungat, wala ka pa sa kalahati.
Ang kikat mo talaga.
Ulit, sanay sa masikip. Kung kumilos, ang liit-liit.
How can that?
Walked over a road, my ass 1, 2, 4, 3. None of these chicks look
Round one.
Hey, I don't care what these chicks say. I don't even look their way.
Round two.
Hey, I don't care what these chicks say. I don't even look their way. Look their way.
Bitin kayo, no?
Joke. This is Oxygen, I'm that.
Let's go!
Hey, teach me how to play it. Hey, hey.
Teach me how to Dougie. Teach me how to Dougie. Teach me how to Dougie. Teach me how to Dougie.